This is the 2026 Louisville Boat RV and Sport Show partnered with Progressive Insurance. Let's walk inside. Let's go. Before we go into the showroom, I can show you what you can do outside the lobby before you entering the showroom. Here at the Louisville Boat Show, kids or families can take pictures on top of this bass, here with the banner behind it. Also, next to it, we have the Bayliner M17. Inside the showroom as the same thing at the Sea Ray of Louisville too as well, with the booth 1060. So let's go and enjoy the ride. Enjoy, guys. Now I showed you what you can do before you enter the showroom. Let's go inside South Wing B and see all the boats inside the showroom and RVs. Come with me, guys. Sit back and enjoy all the boats and RVs. And enjoy the music, guys. I'll see you at the end. Let's go.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. Your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey.
I hope you all enjoyed seeing all the boats for the tour. I want to thank all the people at the sports show, including Jordan, for inviting me and my crew to come out and create content for the show. That's a wrap for the 2026 RV Boat and Super Show. I want to thank you all for coming, and have a good night.